How to create albums in Google Photos is pretty simple and straightforward process. Google Photos is a byproduct by Google that helps you to manage your photos, videos through the cloud storage without saving and loading too much data on a device. After downloading Google Photos from your app store, you have figured out how to upload photos. You can now creating albums. The process is pretty much same on any device. Now what you need to do is launch your Google Photos in a device. You'll find yourself on the Photos page. Tap library located in the bottom of the page. Now select new album, give the new album a name by tapping add a title. Choose the select photos to manually choose the photos you want to add to the album, and that's it. The select the photos you want. Now confirm your album to finish it. If the photos you mean to add, this is how you can simply just add make create albums on your device with the help of Google Photos. Google Photos again is a very great product by Google to manage your media throughout the device.